Hello everyone. Finally, Maruti Suzuki Jimny 5-door SUV is spotted again and it will be launched soon in India. Before few months ago, Maruti has taken some of the test mule on Leh Ladakh for check it out its off-roading performance and capability. Basically, Jimny 5-door SUV is a off-roading SUV. In this SUV, we will be get 4x4 system for the better off-roading performance. Upcoming Jimny 5-door SUV has boxy look and muscular profile, and definitely it will be attract the customers through it. After that, talking about the front section of this upcoming SUV, it will be get round shape LED headlight, thick bumper, slatted front grills and prominent fenders add to its muscular profile. And in the rear section, we will be get vertical tail light also. We can see Jimny 5-door SUV has large size alloy wheels for the better off-roading performance. The wheel size is approx 18 to 22 inch. In terms of features, Maruti Suzuki Jimny has lots of features like 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and this infotainment system will be offered with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, steering mounted audio control, fully automatic temperature control, automatic outer rear view mirrors and many more basic features also offered in this upcoming SUV. And in terms of safety features, it will be get 6 safety airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, hill hold control, high beam assist, dual sensor brake support, traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning and the many more basic safety features also offered in this upcoming SUV. So finally, talking about the engine specifications of this SUV, it will be get 1.5 liter K15 petrol motor, and this motor is capable to generate a peak output power of 104 bhp and 138 Nm peak output torque also. 5-door Jimny has 5-speed manual gearbox as standard and automatic functionality. For better off-roading performance, it also get 4x4 system. So definitely it is a fully package which will be offered from the Maruti Suzuki company. And after that, talking about the competition, it will be compete with Force Gurkha 5-door SUV and Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV. All of these three SUV will be launched in 2023. Hopefully you like this and enjoy it. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.